Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to edit the confirmation email that Shopify automatically sends to your customers. Whether you're looking to make small tweaks or completely customize your email templates, we've got you covered step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished and professional confirmation email that aligns perfectly with your brand. Let's dive in. Shopify makes managing your online store easier with features like importing products, fulfilling orders, and adding discounts. However, when it comes to editing the emails Shopify sends to your customers, the process can feel a bit more technical. But don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. Follow along and we'll guide you through everything from basic customizations like adding your logo to editing the email text directly. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center for managing your store. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down to find Notifications. This is where all the email and SMS templates for your store are managed. Before making changes, verify your sender email. This email address will be what customers see when they receive communication from your store, so it's crucial to ensure it's accurate and verified. If you haven't verified it yet, Shopify will prompt you to do so. Simply follow the instructions, and once it's verified, you're good to proceed. Let's start with the basics of personalizing your email template. In the Notifications section, look for the Order Confirmation email. This is the email customers receive after placing an order. The first thing you'll notice is the option to upload a logo. Adding your store's logo is an easy way to make your emails look professional and consistent with your branding. Click the Upload Image button, choose your logo file, and adjust its size to fit the email format. Make sure the logo is clear and not overly large, as it should complement the email content without overwhelming it. Next, you'll want to update the email's accent color. This is the color used for buttons, links, and other highlights in the email. Choose a color that matches your store's theme. For example, if your store has a violet color scheme, set the accent color to violet. This small detail can go a long way in making your emails look cohesive and visually appealing. After these visual changes, click Save in the top right corner to secure your updates. You'll now see a preview of the email with your logo and updated colors. This preview helps you understand how your customers will see the email when they receive it. Now, let's move on to editing the email content itself. This is where you can truly make your emails unique and tailored to your brand voice. From the notifications list, select Order Confirmation again and click on Edit Code. The code editor may look intimidating at first, especially if you don't have coding experience, but it's actually quite straightforward. The content of the email is written in plain text between the lines of code. For example, you might see a message that says, "We're getting your order ready to be shipped. We'll notify you when it has been sent." You can replace this with something more personal, such as, "Your order is being prepared with love and care. We'll let you know once it has been shipped." If your store operates on cash-on-delivery payments instead of online transactions, you can customize the text to reflect that. For instance, change "Your payment is being processed" to "Your payment will be collected by the courier upon delivery." This ensures your emails provide clear and accurate information to your customers. As you continue editing, look for any other default text that doesn't align with your store's operations or tone. For example, if your store doesn't send separate emails for gift cards, you can remove or modify those lines. You can also add personalized closing remarks such as, "Thank you for shopping with us at Fitters." Once you've made all your changes, click Save to apply them. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Shopify allows you to revert the template to its original default settings. This safety net is helpful if you're experimenting with changes and want to start fresh. For those who want to take email customization even further, Shopify's App Store offers various apps to enhance email templates. Go to You Apps and then click on Apps and Sales Settings channel. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Search for Confirmation Email to find apps like Orderly Emails. This app provides beautifully designed email templates that you can customize without touching code. While these apps are a great option for advanced customization, they often come with a cost. Orderly Emails, for example, typically charge a one-time fee ranging from $50 to $90 per template. However, keep in mind that basic edits within Shopify's built-in editor are often sufficient for most stores. By adding your logo, choosing a matching accent color, and personalizing the text, you can create an email that looks professional and connects with your customers without additional expenses. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to customize Shopify confirmation emails to reflect your brand and provide a more personalized experience for your customers. Thank you for watching.